Today, I'm going to do a review of quite an interesting and versatile arm or holder, hands-free, highly adjustable kind of a thing. Can be used for many purposes with just a bit of tweaking. Can modify and use as a desk light or focus light arm as well. Endless possibilities. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person, but if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. We'll show you few tricks and tips, so watch the video till the end. It says Universal Stent on the package. This thing is designed to hold smartphones and mini tablets, so that's good. Retractable, cantilever, folding, bedside, lacy stand, black flat clip. Let's see what's inside. The packaging was pretty crushed, but the item was not damaged at all. And the holder, the mounting mechanism, arm itself came as 3 components. Can use this like a phone holder instead of a tripod to record yourself. Phone holder when in resting position 4.5 inches. Both arms are close to 15 inch each. When fully stretched, should be close to 30 inches or 75 centimeters. The holder at the end where it meets the table itself could have been built a bit better, I guess. Maybe with a thicker grade steel plate. The bottom part is polished chrome steel. Only this side has rubber padding. Screw lock base or the clamp is about 1.9 inches. It does have foam pads on either sides. You can see there are openings for your phone. Padding on the back of the phone holder as well. The holder itself could have been a bit better, I guess. It uses that circular joint on the back. It's great for 360 movement, but not great to replace if you ever break it. Arm is metal, pretty high quality, little on the heavy side. I think it's steel and it has a pretty good coating of spray paint on it as well. Even the springs here, which I think are made of steel, are coated pretty well. Double spring reinforced. So far, it has managed to exceed my expectations in this build quality. This thing is built to last, I'll tell you. Depending on the mobility you need, you can tighten or loosen this arm near its elbow and its wrist. Tighten these to hold it in position. Other than being a phone holder, I found another use case for this. Since this holder is a separate thing, can modify to mount with small high precision tools like a drill or a cutter. Not with heavy duty stuff though. All these bars are joined with bolts so easy to separate and modify them as needed. Someone who has the knowledge can easily turn this to a robotic arm with servos at each joint. As you can see, this arm is fully modular. With 4 servos, this can be turned to a robotic arm, 2 for 360 rotation at base clamp and at the end, 2 for arm movement at the joints. Remove the lock, insert the ball into the hole fully and screw it up until you feel really tight. Then have to transfer and tighten thread, mount on the arm. Let's try to mount it on the table and see how it holds up now. Everything seems quite sturdy, no wobbling around too much. This is how it is when fully assembled. You are supposed to mount this holder onto the table first and then attach the arm on top. But assembly was pretty easy and it holds itself quite well. Here you can see that angle of platform at the end is independent to arm movement. If it's set to parallel, it will remain the same. Okay, let's mount the phone and see how it holds up. This 10.1 inch tab can be mounted. Let's see. I hope it won't break. Mounting the phone to the arm is fairly straightforward. Pull one side and slide in the phone. It's spring loaded, almost stretched to the limit. So it looks like that's 6.75 inches or 17.1 centimeters. You need to be careful when stretching it to the limit. Though it feels quite sturdy, it's still plastic, not as good as metal. This one is Samsung 8NS, only 6.2 inches, 15.6 centimeters, can be mounted only this way. This is little bigger lengthwise. Will not take the risk. If someone is willing to push it further, let me know in the comment how far it can go. Overall, it's surprisingly good product. It's built very well and I think it'll last a decent amount of time. It's really affordable. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. See you next time. Bye.